Hey guys, Dara here, and I just pulled up to a property that we've got that will be a potential flip for us, and I just want to walk you guys through how to actually estimate the repairs on a fixer-upper. Now, I have videos on how I assess the repairs, like what I'm looking for and things like that, but in this video I want to actually walk you through the numbers and the figures, the dollar amounts on what it's going to cost to fix the roof, what it's going to cost to fix the windows, the doors, the floor, all that good stuff. Now, I'm in no way, shape, or form a general contractor, but I'm able to give you these dollar amounts because I've had about 5 or more quotes from different general contractors on this one house. And the thing is, from those 5 or 6 or so different quotes, they range drastically. It's the same house, but the quotes are very drastic. So I'll try to just give you an average of what each of them says the roof will cost, what each of them says the drywall and things like that will cost. And before we get into what the actual property looks like, I want to give you a quick walkthrough of what the street looks like and what the area is looking like. So here's the street, right? So there's a vacant house there. I believe that one is occupied. That one I believe is vacant. This one they're working on. The two across the street are lived in and pretty well kept. So the street is pretty cute. All brick houses for the most part on the street. Up there, we actually sold a house. You see that pile of stuff? Yeah, that's a tear down that my buyer is gonna do a new construction project on. And this is our subject property. Overgrown grass, boarded up windows, the gutters, the roof. So you want to take a step back and look at the big picture from the street whenever you come to assess a vacant property. As I mentioned in a video prior to this on assessing repairs, you want to do an exterior, or I do an exterior walkthrough first, just because, you know, once you're outside, stay outside, go inside, and then come back out, right? So this is just what it's looking like, and the quotes that I received definitely do include landscaping, because it's more than just cutting the grass here in this situation, because there's some grading that needs to be done as well in the backyard. So here we are walking up to the property. The quotes for the landscaping have come out to average about all right, so now we're at the front of the house, where, as you can see, the steps, although they're brick, are just in shambles. There is cracking in the foundation. Here it's kind of separating from the house itself. The windows are all boarded up. So this whole entire front porch has got to be redone. So we got a quote for that. Gutters and downspouts are a mess. This is the basement. So this house is actually 960 square feet, not including the basement. If you include the basement, then it totals to about over 1,800 square feet. So once finished, done, and pretty, we would be able to count the basement, because down there I believe is two bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So here is the backyard. This is something we had our contractors address as well, because as you can see, it's separating. This concrete is separating from the house. And this is actually the drainage system, so that water, when it rains, it will come down this way, and the backyard kind of slopes. So we had quotes on grading the backyard as well. All right, so you see there's already a fence here. We can keep it this way, or just build a brand new wooden fence for more privacy. And the grading in the backyard, this whole entire irrigation system, would cost us all right, so counting the windows, this side porch here, now that's the door to the kitchen. This side porch here is an issue, and it's gonna have to come down as well. This railing here is not up to code, because of safety issues. Somebody's head, a child's head, could fit through that, and it needs to be closed in. So this whole entire shebang will be redone. And on the other side of the exterior, let's go up these stairs. So this is the front situation. There is a bird's nest chilling up in the fan. This is obviously not safe. We're on the front porch and there's no railing here. But just wanted to take you to this side where you can see, hey, oh, hey there, hey gutters. In my face, aren't ya? Just falling down. Yeah, it's a mess. That's down. These are down to the basement, those little wells. And this retaining wall here, we'd have to find out if it belongs to this property or the one next door, because it's falling apart and would need to be addressed as well for things like water and runoff and spillage. All right, so look at this, boarded up. We'll take a look inside here. All right, so this is what it looks like walking in. The hardwood floors are actually like decent, actually really nice, can't lie. So to finish the hardwood floors would cost us and look, the windows, replacing all the windows. This is what it looks like. And the ceiling. Taking a step back here in the living room, this entire wall is coming down, all the way down to that entrance where the light is. This whole wall is coming down. This wall is also getting knocked down because here's the kitchen. So when you walk in, it'll be in complete open flow. And the cost of doing all that is this is what the other side of the wall looks like. Here is the kitchen. Now these are not hardwood floors, but so to redo this floor would cost this is the door that you saw outside. You need light, cabinet, so this wall would not be here anymore. This wall would not be here anymore. So we'd have to reconfigure the entire kitchen, which we did get plans done for that, drawn up by an architect. And then there are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom up here. This is, like I said, 960 square feet. Carpet, but underneath the carpet is hardwood, so we want to keep the hardwood everywhere. Windows replaced would cost mold remediation would cost and here's a 1 full bathroom upstairs. We want to push this wall back. Here we got a new floor here, so this wall will be pushed back so that it's wider in the bathroom. New electrical, new everything will cost. All right, so that's down to the basement, which I am not going to go into. Here's the electrical system. Basement is huge and has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath as well. This we're going to convert to a master suite. So we're going to add a 2nd bathroom upstairs. This is, oh, hey there, chilling. Good thing I'm not that tall. And there's a window. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is a walkthrough of this 960 square foot bricks house, four-sided brick with a basement, so 1,800 plus when it's all said and done. And I hope that that helped you guys learn how to actually put some numbers to your repairs. And I'm out here rocking my t-shirt that I designed. If you would like one of your own, look down in the description box on how you can order yours too. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this or any other topic relating to real estate investing, wholesaling, go ahead and comment below and let me know. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.